This mini lecture video will assist you with the forum discussion assigned using CSC Online. On the home page of your course, click on Forums to find the topic information and instructions for the group forum assignment. Click View Full Description to read the forum topics and directions, making sure you are clicking on the appropriate week. You can see we have week 2, continuing down, week 4, week 6, and week 8. In the full description on the forum, you will see instructions. You will also see the grading rubric that will be used for grading of your forum. Each course member has been assigned to a particular group. You may be in group A, B, C, D, E, or F. Each group member, including the group leader, will create a document to respond to the forum topic assigned. So if you are assigned to group A, you would click on View Full Description, and you will see the group topic you are assigned. In this case, group A is assigned to case 1 on page 382 of the textbook. This response from each group member will be saved as a file document to be attached to the messages area on CSC Online. Once you have your document created, remembering to include an outside resource, an APA formatted in text and full citations, click on Messages, Compose Message, and then click on the appropriate group, whether you are in group A, group B, group C, or whichever group. You will click on the group you have been assigned, then realize that no matter what group you are in, your professor is a member of each group and will be able to view your individual contribution through these message area. Include a subject line such as Limbach, Week 2 Forum, so the individual group member's last name and which forum you are responding to, and then add your file attachment. Towards the bottom of the screen, you will see File Add Attachment, much like you do your individual assignments. You may include a message when desired. This individual assignment or individual contribution to the group forum is usually due on Mondays. Please review the calendar and/or syllabus for actual due dates. The next step is for the group leader of the assigned week to read each group member's individual contribution and combine the members' responses into one cohesive document that fully answers the forum topic. The group leader should make sure that all group members' content is represented in the group response, but remove duplicate information. The group leader for the week will then use Messages to send the combined group response for the group members' approval and/or suggestions for changes prior to posting to the forums. The group members or the group leader's combined forum response is due 24 hours prior to the due date for the forum completion. So this is due usually on Tuesdays. So the group leader will have one file document, will go to Message, will go to compose messages, will click on the group that they are in, put in a subject line such as week 2 group forum for approval. Then the group leader will upload the file that they have created and continue. The group leader will wait for approval from each group member, and once those approvals have come through and changes have been made to the group forum combined response, the group leader will post the group forum within the area provided. So click on Forums, click on the group that you are in, click on Start a New Conversation, place a title for your group forum. Maybe that's the case that you were assigned, so Case 1 on page 386, and then paste in the area provided, copy and paste the group forum response. File attachments are not accepted in the forums area. The forums are usually due on Wednesdays, but please review the calendar and/or syllabus for actual due dates. Once information has been placed in the area provided and posted, the group leader, gotta have a subject, and then post. You see, once you have posted, I have posted this test, then the group leader can edit the document. So you can click on edit and go back and edit any formatting or any issues with the post, and then post the edited message again. And here you see the message. The group leader should use one font style and size for the entire post. The forum posting should have a minimum of 4 to 5 outside resources using both in-text and full citations in APA format, depending on the number of group members in the group. You should have one citation for each group member. The last portion of the group forums is then to go in to the forums and do part 2, responding to the group forums. So we now have a forum posted for Group A, Group B, Group C, D, E, and F. When you want to respond, let's say you are in Group D and you want to respond to an outside group, such as Group A, you would click on the group, you would click on the forum, and then you would click reply. You are responsible to add a meaningful response to a minimum of one forum posting outside of the assigned group. For example, when you are in Group B, you must post your response or responses to groups A and or C through F. The group posting or the posting for part 2 should be posted within the area provided. File attachments are not accepted. You are then responsible to read the forums. Let's say we're going to reply to this forum. Additional information provided, and click on post. Once you've replied, you should go through, you should look at everybody's conversation, everything that's been posted, and there'll be a spot here on the end of each one of these that would indicate read. You will click on that to indicate that you have read each post that is in the forums. This concludes this mini lecture video to help you with posting to forums.